Hi, my name is Lakshmi Vishwanath and I went through Sova Health's 21-day gut health program recently, and I just wanted to share my experience. 2 months prior to starting this program, I had got my routine blood work done and found that my TSH levels were elevated. And I also had other symptoms like fatigue, hair loss, a little bit of weight gain. I did have bloating as one of the bigger concerns. So 7 out of 8 doctors put me on thyroxine medication. None of the other doctors wanted to hear my side, not wanted to hear why I was so hesitant. So medicines and this drug was the only way in their opinion. So I completed the 21-day program. 2 months later, actually, which was 2 days ago, I went in for my blood work and my TSH is under control now. There is no need for me to get on any medication. My expectation was met, and I'm really grateful for the team. This program was great because the team was extremely patient. I felt very heard.